Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn decimals chapter. Okay, so this is 8th chapter in our 6th class. So already you have idea about decimals. For example, when you went to a shop, if you buy 1 kg rice, then they will write the bill like this, 1 kg like this, 50.00. okay, and some another sugar. First, suppose I am telling here sugar 45 rupees. Okay, like this only. And you observe any bill, electronic generated bill in the shopping malls also, they will mention the bill like this, right? So they will write the number and after the decimal point and 2 zeros. So, for example, if you went to the petrol bunk and you filled the fuel, then for suppose if 2 liters is taken, you can observe it is 202 rupees and 85 cents. Then the bill will be 202.80. Okay. So in our daily life, you know the decimals. So the numbers which have decimal point are called simply decimals. Okay, and here this number is there now, 202.80. so you cannot read as 202.80 because its place value is not 10. Okay, its place value is not tens. Then what is its place value? Okay, let us see. So decimal place values will be like this. So here, see, first this is left side and this is right side. Left side whole part will be there. Okay, whole numbers, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. That is 1 lakh. And the right side of the decimal point, tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay, that means its place value 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. That means it's 1 part in 10. It's not 10. Okay, 1 part in 100 and 1 part in 1000. That is thousands. One part in 10,000. So like that, the place values of decimal values. Okay. And here in our textbook, one example is given very beautifully, comparing decimals. Can you tell which is greater, 0.07 or 0.1? So here, first they are taking 0.1. This is decimal form. If I write it in fractional form, it will be 1 by 10. Okay. If you divide 1 with 10, it will be 0.1 only. 0, 0, 0.10 ones are 10. So it will be 0.1 only. So we can write 0.1 as 1 by 10. And for our convenience, again, I am multiplying this with 10 by 10. So 1 into 10, 10, 10 tens are 100. Okay. So here 0.1 means it is 10 by 100. Okay, fractional form I am writing. And next 0.07. So after the decimal point, 2 digits are there here, right? So after the decimal point, 2 digits are there. So just multiply with 100 to remove that point, numerator and denominator. So it will be 7 by 100. Okay, so now here we have 100. Here 10 by 100 means 10 boxes are shaded. Okay, and 7 by 100, 7 boxes are shaded. Here in which part the more number of boxes are shaded? 10 by 100. Okay, so this 10 by 100 is greater than this. Okay, so similarly 0.1. So in that way we can tell 0.1 greater than 0.07. Okay, and so every time you cannot draw the tables like this. right? So for that you have to learn these place values. Okay, now example 1, which is greater. Okay, so here two decimal numbers are given, 1 or 0.99. so 1, just write the place value of the numbers. In ones place there is a 1, and that is our first number, and second number 0.99. In ones place 0 is there, and in 1 by 10s 9, and in 1 by 100s 9. So now just compare the first ones place, 1 and 0. 1 is greater than 0 now, so clearly 1 is greater number. Okay, we can write like that, 1 is greater number. So 1 greater than 0.99. Next number, next B, 1.09 or 1.093. So write the place values. First number 1.09. 1 is in ones place, 0 in 1 by 10s place, and in 1 by 100s 9. Next 1.093. It's in 1 by 10s place, and here there is no number in 1 by thousands place. Sorry, it's 1 by 1000. So just compare, these two are equal, these two are equal, these two are equal, and coming to here 0 less than 3, right? So which is bigger? The number which contains 3 in 1 by thousands place. So 1.093 greater than 1.09. Okay, so just by comparing the place values we can easily tell which is greater number. So now exercise 8.1, which is greater, 0.3 or 0.4. See here we have place values, right? It's ones, tens, 100, 1000. Just for your understanding I am writing, students. Okay, just మీకు అర్థమైతే చాలు. ఈ ప్లేస్ వాల్యూస్ ఇలా మైండ్లో కంపేర్ చేసుకోవాలి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు కంపేర్ ఇన్ యువర్ బ్రెయిన్. సో 0.3 or 0.4. So now write the place values. It's 0.3, and for the second one it's 0.4. Now just compare these. Ones place both are equal, and here 3 less than 4, that means 4 is bigger. So clearly we can write it's 0.4 greater than 0.3. Okay, normal comparison. And the second one 0.07 or 0.02. So just write 0.07 or 0.02. Compare the same place values. So they both are equal, and here 7 2. 7 is greater now. Okay, 7 is greater. So it is 7 greater than 2. So finally we can write 0.07 greater than 0.02. Now see, 3 or 0.8. So in ones place 3, and for the second number it is 0.8. Now compare the place value of 1, which is greater, 3, right? So clearly 3 greater than 0.8. Every time you have to compare the numbers which contain in the same place values. Okay, so D, 0.5 or 0.05. It is 0.5 and 0.05. Compare, the both are equal, and here this is greater, right? So 5 is greater than 0, so it is 0.5 greater than 0.05. Okay students, now next one, E, 1.23 or, okay, I'm writing here this also, 1.23 or 1.2. Now compare the ones place value, both are equal, and compare these, both are equal, and here if we compare there is no number, so that means it is 0. So clearly 3 greater than 0. So 1.23 greater than 1.2. Okay, and now F 0.099 or 0.19. See students, now I am not writing the place values, but without place value try to compare. So same place value 0. Okay, and here 1 by 10, here 0 is there and here 1 is there. So clearly 1 is greater than 0. So 0.19 greater than 0.099. Okay, and next G 1.5 or 1.50. Okay, so 1 same place value are equal, and here 5 also equal. So there is no number after 5 means it is clearly 0. Okay, so they both are equal. 1.5 is equals to 1.50. Okay, and next H 1.431 or 1.490. 1.490. So here compare ones place value, both are 1 equal and both are 4 equal, and coming to 3 and 9, 9 greater than 3, right? So it's 1.490 greater than 1.431. Okay, and next problem 3.3 or 3.300. 3.3 or 3.300. So now compare these, the number before decimal point 3, and that means in ones place 3, and here also 3, and coming to here 3. So there is no number means we can write any number of zeros. 3.3000 is equals to 3.3 only. No number means there is a 0. Okay, we can take like that. So 3.3 is equals to 3.300. Next J 5.64 or 5.603. So compare 5 are equal and 6 are equal and 4 0. So it's 4 greater than 0. So 5.64 greater than 5.60. Okay, so in this way you can easily write or easily compare the decimals. Okay students, so students, please share this video with your friends, and please like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.